In the heart of London, a criminal is on the loose. He moves in the shadows. He could be anywhere. He could be right behind you. Welcome to Scotland Yard, the thrilling chase game where one player becomes Mr. X, the sneaky mastermind, and the rest are detectives working together to bring him down. There are two types of playing pieces, normal playing pieces and new character-based ones, each with a unique look and vibe. Now let's understand how it works. One player is chosen as Mr. X, and his mission, escape through London, unseen, unheard, and undefeated. Each player picks their ticket boards with a colored playing piece. Detectives receive 4 red underground tickets, 8 blue bus tickets, and 11 yellow taxi tickets. Mr. X gets a visor to hide his facial expressions and a travel logbook to maintain his locations, ensuring that no clues are given away. He gets 5 black tickets and 2 double move tickets. He also gets unlimited transport tickets and draws them from the general supply as needed. Mr. X can use the black tickets to hide the transport method or take a ferry across the river. And with double move tickets, he can move twice in one turn. The starting cards are shuffled and placed face down. Detectives draw a secret number, which is their starting location. They place their pieces on the board and their location is revealed. And Mr. X, he picks a starting point too, but keeps it hidden. No one knows where he is. His entire journey is tracked down his travel log, hidden from all eyes. Taxis move short distances. Taxi roads are marked in yellow. A taxi can only travel to nearby stations along yellow lines. You can only move from a taxi access station to another taxi access station. Buses cover medium distances. Bus routes are marked in green. A bus can only travel to stations along the green lines. You can only move from one bus station to another. The underground is fast and long, but rare, with the underground roads marked in red dotted lines. Mr. X uses taxis, buses, and the underground. Players only see which type of transport he used, not where he went. If another detective is on a station, you can't move there. And if you are at a station with only taxi access and no taxi ticket, you're stuck, which means you're out of the game. Mr. X now first moves by taxi, then switches to train, and then takes a bus. Each move carefully hidden on his board. But in rounds 3, 8, 13, 18, and 24, Mr. X must reveal his current location. If detectives land on the same station, Mr. X is caught, and the detectives win. In another twist, just when they are about to catch him, it's round 24, the detectives didn't catch him. Mr. X has now won the game. In another scenario, if the detectives run out of transport tickets, Mr. X wins. If only 2 and 3 detectives are playing, 2 bobbies are added. If 4 detectives are playing, 1 bobby is added. Bobbies don't need tickets and are played by all detectives as a team. The game unfolds with twists and turns, maps, moves, big reveals, sneaky escapes, close calls. So who do you want to be, the mysterious X or the clever detective? There are 3 versions waiting for you. Classic Scotland Yard, Scotland Yard Deluxe, Scotland Yard Junior. The city is waiting. The chase is on. This is Scotland Yard. Funskool, true to kids always.